In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide activity on LinkedIn. If you want a little more privacy while using LinkedIn, this is a quick setting that can make a big difference. Hiding your activity can help limit what other people see about when you're active on the platform, which is especially useful if you prefer to browse, network, or update your profile more discreetly. The good news is that this adjustment only takes a moment once you know where to look. To get started, head over to the LinkedIn homepage and look at the top right corner of the screen. There you'll see your Me icon. Click on that icon to open the account menu. This menu gives you access to several profile and account options, including the settings area we need for this change. From the drop-down menu, select Settings and Privacy. Once you're inside, you'll be taken to LinkedIn's main settings page, where a number of account controls are organized into different sections. On the left side of the page, click on the Visibility tab. This is where LinkedIn keeps most of the options related to what other people can see about your profile and your activity. After opening the Visibility section, scroll down until you find the area labeled Visibility of your LinkedIn activity. In that section, click on Manage Active Status. This specific setting controls whether other people can see when you're active on LinkedIn, which can affect how visible your presence is while you're online. When the active status options appear, choose No One. Selecting this option hides your active status so other users won't be able to see when you're currently active on LinkedIn. It's a simple choice, but it can be helpful if you want more control over your privacy and a quieter browsing experience. And that's it. Once you select that setting, your activity visibility is updated. If you're following along, it's a good idea to pause for a second and make sure the option is saved correctly before leaving the page. LinkedIn usually applies changes right away, but it never hurts to double-check. This is one of those small account settings that's easy to overlook, yet it can be very useful if privacy matters to you. That's all for this tutorial. Now you know how to hide activity on LinkedIn.